Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm presenting this time a clip covering the bonds, the Eurobund, Euroschatz and USD bond. But in the long video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers, I cover several forex pairs, and in one of them I cover an extremely long-term wave count. And in my humble opinion, the wave count in that particular chart could be worth at least 1,000 times any investment you make in my website in terms of taking a daily service, even a full-scale daily service, or just a trial, of course, the trial, because I think if I'm right on that one wave count, we could be riding the implication of that wave count for decades. And it is going to color everything you do in Forex and even outside Forex as well. So if you're interested in my service, you're interested in further details, please stay on after the clip's end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have great viewing and good trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here on the chart that I have in this video, I have the dollar index, the Euro US dollar, Euro Japanese yen, Euro Singapore dollar, British pound US dollar, British pound Swiss franc, US dollar Swiss franc, gold, silver, Eurobund, Euroschatz, USD bond, heating oil, Brent crude, S&P 500, S&P 400, the Nasdaq, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, IBEX 35 of Spain, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the RTS of Russia. Okay, that's the Eurobund. That's the 30 minutes. Market raced up. For now, it is possible to call it a top, because we are seeing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I wouldn't rush to do that. I'll show you also in the case of the US dollar, US T-bond, that it is possible it is going to come back, in effect rally back up. So let's not give up on the bullish side here. I would say that anytime you see it correcting above this level, bouncing up and down here, that should be a strong signal there is further upside. I think breaking under this level, which comes at 143.75, that is a different story. I think that will probably start a slide or a much bigger correction. So these are the levels that very short term I would consider. Euroschatz. That's the 60 minutes. If you remember, I was focusing on this being a fourth wave. I was calling for the fifth run up. You can see it run up above this line. It's now becoming really interesting, because any correction that will come and take place in a manner that I've painted here before would basically suggest further upside. Yes, would suggest further upside, and that will, in my opinion, will cause us to go back and take another look at our very long-term analysis that we presented, we discussed a few days ago, because that would suggest that we may have started an impulse wave up, huge impulse wave up. A structure like this, and then a rally above 110.90 should tell you you are in a pretty strong impulse wave that would carry for weeks. Okay, that's the US T-bond. That's the September contract daily scale. And this is still viable as a 3-4. Yes, this market is struggling. Not a massive momentum here, but it is still inching its way higher. And I think it is possible that we have seen just the first leg of the fifth in blue. Let's go for the 60 minutes. You see, it's really got to fall under the black line. It's got to fall really way lower in order to confirm that we have a top, a failure fifth. Right now, I think it is too soon to conclude that, and I would imagine even falling that low, 150.10, would not kill the idea that this is the first leg up. So we will just be in a correction, second wave, and the prospect for it continuing higher would still look good. Hello again. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website. And I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of the philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips, that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have three options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is, and what sort of which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list, highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up with, it comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, Alert Pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.